Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to make an dropshipping business and start to make money from internet, you will find a free trial for Shopify in the link in the description. If you go to the link in the description, you will find this free trial for $1, 4 months, 3 months, 14 days. Which one of them will be in this link? Actually, you will get a 14 days free without any um, requirements. So when you register, you will not need to do anything. So all you have is to make your move that you will lose anything in this move and start to see what the business that you want to make. After this, you will have a 3 months. For every month, you will need to do $1. So $3 for 14 days and 3 months means 90 days. And if you still have doubts, you can talk to support team of Shopify to extend your period for 1 month more to make your website better and start to making money. But you will not need this because I think if you are really mean to make money from Shopify, you will not need this. Why the link in the description is so special? It gives you this 3 months plus 14 days of free trial, plus you can talk to support team after 90 days, no, after 100 days and 4, and talk to them to extend your period 1 month more. But this is not all. You have to take the chance from this period and make your website better and make your marketing better and start selling your product on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on what funnel you want to sell on. After the end of the video, what you're gonna lose if you do this? Time. You have a free time on Facebook, on a lot of media, on anything in your life, but you will gonna lose a $3 in 4 months. It's cheap than cup of tea. So your dream against cup of tea. You have to choose what do you want and what do you really can capable of, and start to make try and error to find the biggest success in your life and to be successful man or woman in your own life. Thank you for watching. I hope this really benefit for you and take care.